relationship space you have the Two of Swords. Now the Two of Swords reminds me of the Justice card. And it also reminds me of the Four of Cups we've been looking at. It's right in front of you. It's right in front of you. And there's a coming to balance. And there's a coming to balance that can happen by relinquishing the blindfold, relinquishing the defensive posture, the defensive tools, the tools of defense. And, it's right in front of you. The possibility of joy, whether that joy, moving toward that joy and wholeness requires shifting away from a particular relationship or shifting more deeply into what I know is true for each person is that your birthright is to be fully and wholly yourself, to not betray yourself, to, and a betrayal of self can come in all sorts of forms. Caroline Myss, that's where I got one time Oprah asked her, in a relationship with compromise, how do you know if it's good or not to compromise? And Caroline Myss said, you don't betray yourself. Okay? So, and for some of, this is a very general reading, so, and I'm used to reading more for, it's new to me to be doing such general readings, but as your birthday approaches, dear Libra, remember it is your birthright to exist fully in your soul's true resonance, and the answers you seek are actually right in front of you, are with you, and as I was saying earlier, the joy you hope for may come more gently and with less fanfare than you might have expected. And as I was also saying earlier, sometimes, we're so used to being in a state of anticipation, yearning, or a state of defensiveness that we might not even realize it when the real gifts of our lives are presenting themselves, are arriving. Okay. And then in your workspace. It's another card of anticipation, but here you are, you're ready. You are ready, whether it's to go further into something new or to be, to have some new success in something that you've been working on for some time or hoping for some time. You are ready. You are ready to receive accolades. You are ready to receive satisfaction. You are ready to proudly step into the truth of the worth of what you offer the world with your works. And I'm going to read 2 more cards for you. I'm going to read what your approaching Libra new moon offers you, and then you here on your birthday in this year. This will be for you on your birthday. This will be what the approaching new moon, the world with the approaching new moon in Libra offers you. The energy that moon is bringing towards you, even as we aren't quite to the full moon yet. The full moon is on Monday. And then the Libra new moon, I'd have to look it up. Actually, it's on my calendar right behind me. The Libra new moon on the 8th of October. What potentiality, what energy, what resource, what blessing it offers to you. Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands. So it's this passionate ability to create our works, to use our words and our abilities wisely and in a grounded manner, and to ground bright, new, bright, deep, important aspects of our imaginations and knowings and intellects into the physicality of our world. And for the potentiality, the field of potential at your birthday this year. Doing a lot of shuffling. Dear Libra, happy birthday, dear Libra. King of Flames. King of Flames. I've been talking about the fiery energy, elemental energy, as being this capacious, warm, gorgeous, renewing magic, and also this strong, valiant way to move into the next, to burn through anything that's become or that has always been incorrect, and to burn through that into our soul's true alignment. I know this card looks a little scary, but I'm telling you, it's your power. It's your power. You don't need to fear your power. And you may expect the blessings of your power in this world. Happy birthday, Libra.